Hi, I'm Krista Courtney, and this is the Orlando Health News Review for May 28th. This is news for you, by you. While Bria's on maternity leave, I'll be sharing the latest news and information with you, as well as showcasing the great things each of you do throughout the organization. And speaking of the great things we do, I'd like to share a story with you from Dr. P. Phillips Hospital that brought team members from several departments together to celebrate a patient's 18th birthday. This young patient suffered from cardiac arrest and was admitted to the ICU at Dr. P. Phillips Hospital. What happens next shows how our team members are with our patients all the way.
I kind of took a look at her case that day and decided that, it would be appropriate if the doctor was on board with, bumping her swallow steady up to that day, kind of an emergency situation, so that we could potentially introduce some sort of, food or liquid for her birthday celebration.
To see the look on her face with the cheesecake and that as many team members were going to be there, the look on her face was definitely rewarding.
It was very emotional. I mean, there's definitely cases where we wish we could do those types of things. Someone just needs, to get out for a moment or to have that food or drink that they haven't had, to, have that interaction. I've kind of felt honored to be a part of that team.
Somebody as young as she is to be in the hospital can be a very scary thing. So I wanted to make her feel as comfortable, yet willing to work hard to be where she is now.
Visit the recognition site on Swift to read more about how our team members are impacting the patient experience. Billboards across the community are highlighting Orlando Health's A rating from the Leapfrog Group. Here to tell us more about what this rating means is Dr. Thomas Kelly, Orlando Health's Interim Chief of Quality and Clinical Transformation.
So I'm very pleased to announce that Orlando Regional Medical Center, Dr. P. Phillips Hospital, Health Central, and South Seminole Hospital all maintained their fourth consecutive A grade from the Leapfrog Group. Now, the Leapfrog Group is an independent national nonprofit that's run by the business community and other large purchasers of health insurance. The grades are sort of used as a benchmark by the business community. It allows them to tell their employees, this is a safe hospital for you to go to receive your health care. So we're really, really proud of the grade. The grades themselves are based on a variety of factors, including hospitals' rates of preventable medical errors, injuries, infections, things along those lines. And there have been a lot of things going on in the organization that have really led to this achievement. And of course, if you were to ask what's the one thing that all of us can do to help prevent infections in the hospitals, please wash your hands. So thank you and congratulations to all of our team members.
This A rating is a direct result of the hard work of all of our team members. Finally, this month is Trauma Awareness Month, and more than 700 guests gathered at the Grand Court at the Mall of Millennia for the 9th annual one-night event presented by CNL Financial Group, which raises awareness and funds for ORMC's Level 1 Trauma Center. Managed by the Orlando Health Foundation, this annual fundraising event highlights the importance of trauma care, where seconds matter. Trauma centers like ORMC offer a level of expertise and care beyond that of typical emergency departments. We have general surgeons in-house and operating rooms available for trauma 24 hours a day, and orthopedic surgeons, neurosurgeons, and other subspecialists immediately available. Typical emergency departments do not meet these requirements. Visit onenightsaveslives.com to learn more about trauma care. A video of this year's event will be posted soon. That's it for today's edition. For the Orlando Health News Review, I'm Krista Courtney.